fixed-wing aircraft that is propelled forward by thrust from a jet engine. Characteristics of airplane are: airframe, the structural parts of a fixed-wing aircraft. Wings. When the aircraft travels forwards, air flows over the wings, which are shaped to create lift. Fuselage contains the flight crew, passengers, cargo or payload, fuel and engines. Cockpit, equipped with plane controls. Jet engine, to propel the aircraft. Landing gears provide mechanism of landing and takeoff. Flaps, type of high lift device used to increase the lift of an aircraft wing at a given airspeed. Aileron, change flight path by tilting. Spoiler, for intentional reducing the lift component. Rudder, used to steer plane. Elevator, controls the aircraft's pitch. Stabilizer, provides pitch and yaw control.